Good night, my name is Hernandariolo Bertel. Today we'll talk about the painting self-portrait with Van der Head by Vincent van Gogh. I also recreate I think this painting using AI and my own photo. This painting was created by Vincent van Gogh in 1889. It is all up his most famous self-paintings. I chose this painting because it's very strange and well known. First, I took a photo of myself, then I used AI the recreate the painting. I tried to keep the same pose and the facial expression. I happy get the final rise. I like this painting because the colors are beautiful and the style is unique. It also tells an important story about this artist's life. In my opinion, the painting expresses calm, strength, and determination. Uh, where I see it, I feel respect for Vincent van Gogh and his work. I enjoy recreating the famous painting with AI. This project helps me learn more about art and improve my English. Thank you very much for attention.